Hello, class. How are you? This is Teacher Carol, and today we are going to talk about our healthy habits. Let's begin. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I drink water. I sleep well. I eat fruits and vegetables. I exercise. Now, listen to Jessica talking about her healthy habits. Point out at Jessica's healthy habits. Hi, my name is Jessica. Every day I exercise and I take a shower. Every day I exercise and I take a shower. Now it is your turn. Tell me about your healthy habits. Well, goodbye.